Okay, so I'm going to show you a short tutorial of how to book a room on bookable.com. First, we're going to go up here and go to whisperrooms.sketa.com. I'll be taken directly to today. This is Sunday, August 2nd. I can view this by the month if I'd like to see it that way. The week starts on Mondays and ends on Sundays, just a little heads up. Back to the day of, I'm going to go forward to Monday, and I'm going to book Studio C from 1 to 4. Come up here, take a look at the rental, see that everything's correct. This is the price. Click book. If it's your first time, you'll be taken to a screen where you'll create your account, and you'll also enter your payment information. I've done that previous to this video, so now I just have to log in. Okay, and here we are for the new booking. If I'd like to make it repeat monthly, weekly, yearly, I can do that. I can choose to end the booking if it's weekly for every, in October, for example. I can also create exceptions. So if some of these weeks you're not rehearsing, you can create an exception right there. And then I can see it's in space C. I can add the title. I think the title should include your name, even though that'll be obvious on the booking, but it's helpful for viewing it quickly. And then I'll see the total price of that booking. Don't freak out here. Remember, this is not charged today. All your room rentals will be charged the day of your private lesson after it starts. So if this particular booking of 3 hours will start at 1 o'clock tomorrow, and I'll be charged just for tomorrow. From here, I confirm. And that is it. Done. If I want to go back and change it, I can cancel it. I can duplicate it. I can edit it. I can cancel this one and all the future ones. If this changes, if your times change, you can use this option. For now, I'm just going to cancel. Yes. This dark gray area represents class times, so they won't be bookable. See how it turns red? You won't be able to book during this time. The Rainbow Room is not bookable. I've got to fix that. This should be bookable. It should just not cost any money. So I'll fix that. Otherwise, you'll see a different price for Studio A and B than for Studios C through F and the music room. And I think that's it. If you have any trouble, let me know.